Let me show you how to light paint this. The settings that I used were ISO 100 f8 shooting on bulb mode. The tools that I used are the yellow opaque light writer, the orange crystal light pen, the leaf plexi with the green screw-on color filter, the white light pen, and the yellow color hood from Light Painting Brushes. Starting the exposure now, using the yellow opaque light writer to create the trunk of the tree. Now using the orange crystal light pen to create some roots and also adding a little more texture into the trunk of the tree itself. Now I'm using the leaf plexiglass with the green screw-on color filter to add in all the leaves of this tree. I'm manually turning the light on and off for each leaf of the tree, trying to hold the leaf plexiglass as still as possible each time the light is illuminated. This part takes quite a while, so I'm going to go ahead and speed up the footage here for you. Now I'm using the white light pen to create some flares in the image. And finally, using the yellow color hood to illuminate the scene. Stopping the exposure, and this is what you get.